What's up everybody, welcome to We Do Tech. So today I am going to review the Redragon Phoenix. First off, just some basic information about the mouse. It has a price tag of only $21, has a Mac DPI 4000, has an optical sensor and 9 programmable buttons. Inside the box you get the mouse itself, a CD with software on, a user manual and then a small carry box that you can put the weights in. The mouse has a smooth rounded shape with no edges or anything coming out on the sides of the mouse. At the front you get the standard left and a right mouse buttons with your scroll wheel just behind that has a rubber grip. Behind the scroll wheel is the DPI selection switch. This button allows you to select between 5 different DPI levels. Each level has a specific color and will illuminate the scroll wheel. The first level is a 500 DPI and will illuminate yellow. Second is 1000 dpi and will illuminate green. Third is 2000 dpi and it will illuminate blue. Fourth is 3000 dpi and will illuminate pink. Fifth is 4000 dpi and will illuminate red. Behind the DPI switch is another button that lets you change the lighting effect of the Redragon logo on the palm rest. You can choose between 3 different effects: solid, breathing and flashing. So the mouse is ambidextrous, so the left and the right side is exactly the same. Each side has 2 buttons and an anti-slip surface for a better grip. But when picking up the mouse, my pinky accidentally presses one of the buttons on the side. So if I'm in a web browser, it'll accidentally go back or forward or do stuff like that. So that's a downside with the mouse. Underneath the mouse you get 3 Teflon mouse feet, the optical sensor, a bay with 5 5-gram weights and a setting switch. The setting switch lets you choose between the 5 different profiles you can set in the software. And then the cable is a 1.8 meter or 5.9 feet red and black braided cable with a gold plated USB connector. Looking at the software, you're able to adjust all the settings of the mouse. The first tab is the general tab that lets you assign different key commands to each of the 9 programmable buttons. You are also able to adjust the acceleration, pointer speed, scroll speed, double click speed and polling rate. At the bottom you can also choose between 5 different profiles. Next is a DPI tab. Here you can adjust the DPI of each of the 5 levels. You can even adjust the X and the Y axis of each level for a better vertical movement speed or even a faster horizontal movement speed. The third tab is for the Redragon logo, so you can adjust the color of the LED. The full lighted effect lets you choose any color you want, and then you can also change the brightness of the LED. The breathing effect lets you also choose any color and adjust the brightness level, but then you can also adjust the breathing speed. The flashing effect works exactly the same as breathing, but only for flashing. The last tab is just the info tab. Here you can see some information about the mouse and the software. Okay, and then finally just some good and bad aspects about the mouse. Some good ones are the price of only $21 and the removable weights. Unfortunately, the bad ones are the rounded shape and the pinky buttons. The rounded shape I didn't really like. You couldn't really get the nice feel of the mouse in your hand. And the picky buttons, like I said, if you lift off the mouse, you would accidentally press the buttons. This is more issue for me, I don't know about everybody, but I would accidentally press them and sometimes it would just irritate me a bit. Okay, so that was my review of the Redragon Phoenix gaming mouse. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you have a Redragon mouse, let me know what you think about the mice. I'm trying to review a lot of them now. We just got them in South Africa. So yeah, I want to try them out. But thanks for watching everybody and I'll check you guys next time. Cheers guys.